Hey everyone, it's Andrew. As always, I hope you're doing really well wherever you are. I just got finished a great jump rope workout. Earlier this afternoon, I was searching on YouTube and I came across a jump workout by fitness trainer Kiara Lachey. And she looked like she was having so much fun in this workout, I decided that that's what I was going to do today. So I had some coffee and I came up to my roof and I just finished her workout. It consists of 7 different exercises. The squat jumps are particularly difficult. So I'm going to show you the footage here and I'll explain in more detail what I did. I really hope that you enjoy this video.
Hey everyone, so here are the 7 movements that I performed in this workout, and I'll talk about each of them in more detail in just a second. So the first movement that I performed was the basic 2-foot hop. This is a good way to warm up and to begin a lot of jump rope workouts. Notice that I'm not jumping high off the ground. If you're new to jumping rope, you'll probably jump higher off the ground than necessary, but with time and practice you'll find yourself jumping lower and lower off the ground. And notice that I'm focusing on spinning the rope with my wrists and my lower arms. My upper arms remain close to the sides of my body. This is a very efficient way to jump rope. So I did each of the 7 movements for approximately 1 minute, with little to no rest between each movement. The second movement was alternate feet, high knees. I wasn't raising my knees especially high, but high enough to get a good workout in. It may look easy, but it's actually quite challenging, cardiovascularly speaking. It was fairly sunny today, but it was still very cold. The temperature when I did this workout was -3. Usually when I work out, I like to wear shorts. I like to get the feel of the fresh air on my skin, and if there is sun, it's nice to get some vitamin D going. I just feel a lot more free when I wear shorts. If I wear pants when I jump rope, sometimes the rope can get caught on the pants. And here, the next movement, this is the skier jump. So you're jumping from side to side with your 2 feet together, as if you are a skier. If you're new to jumping rope, after you learn the basic 2-foot hop, this is a good move to learn. And if you're new to jumping rope, it's especially important to make sure that you're warmed up before jumping rope. Although some of these movements, they might look easy, they can still place a certain demand on your body, your joints. So it's good to be warmed up beforehand. And here I'm doing the twister. So as you can see, each time I jump over the rope, I am twisting my feet to the left and then to the right. This movement may look easy, but it does involve quite a bit of coordination. Just notice, even though I'm twisting my feet here as I jump, I'm still trying to jump low off the ground. And this is one of the most difficult, or perhaps the most difficult movement in this workout. I'm doing here a partial squat jump. So every time I jump over the rope, I spread my feet apart and I go down into a slight squat. This is very tiring on your thighs. So I did this for over a minute, and after 30 seconds it becomes really tiring on your thighs. So if you're looking to improve your thigh muscles, this is a great workout, or a great movement to include in your jump rope workouts. It really targets the thigh muscles. Also, it's also really great for your bum. Not to mention burning a lot of calories in general, which can help achieve fat loss. And here I'm doing some single leg hops. I do about 10 hops on one leg before changing legs and doing 10 on the other leg, and I just kept repeating that for about a minute and 10 seconds. Again, notice how high I'm jumping off the ground. Jump rope is really not that thick, so you don't need to jump too high off the ground. When I first started jumping rope though, I jumped way too high off the ground. Probably about a foot, and it was not really that enjoyable, and jumping high off the ground can lead to injury pretty quickly. A lot of people give up jumping rope because they find it difficult, and usually that's because they're using poor technique. Oftentimes they jump far too high off the ground. Now, this is a fun movement. This is the single double. So you do one hop on each leg, and then do 2 hops on one leg, and then alternate which foot you do 2 hops on. This is a great move for coordination. It's also just really fun to do. So we're approaching the end of this workout video. I really recommend giving this video a try, and I want to thank Kiara Lachey for inspiring this workout today. I'm really glad I came across her video. And it seems like she has a ton of good videos on her YouTube channel. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching.